Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and to fix the screen flickering, go to the settings, and in these settings we're gonna go and scroll down until we see display and brightness. Here we want to make sure that we disable automatic and we adjust the brightness manually, so you guys can adjust it like this. Now I'll go for something like this, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So to find the Play Store here, what you guys need to do is go over and find the folder with it, unless you've changed it. Go to search, and here search for screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now we're gonna go and open up the app. First we need to install it, and as you guys can see, it is installing now. We're gonna click open, and we need to grant permissions. So let's grant the first permission, which is to write the system settings so it can change the brightness. The second one, to update the overlay whenever we enable the keyboard or rotate our screen. So find it in the downloaded apps, click on OK right here. And now the last one, to display the brightness bar. So now if we enable it, and let me quickly lower it all already. Here we have the bar, we can easily adjust it. And of course now, what are we going to do is we're going to go to brightness settings. And here we have the extra dim, like dimmer or brighter. We can also change the minimum physical brightness, which will be controlled by the system or which will be controlled by the app. We can add the change delay and of course change duration. So after we change that, and if we want to disable it, we just tap here. Now make sure whenever you turn this off, you switch the brightness automatically. Sorry, not automatically but manually, so that you don't forget about it. And now as a last resort, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over into the settings. So now let's open up the settings app. Here we're going to scroll down and go to system and updates, go to software update, and here we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. As you guys can see, I am not, but we want to click on software version then and click on install. And after we install this version, everything should be fixed. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.